Dude, what the?
Until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Red, 412 miles southwest of Scottsboro, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include
I don't know why you got off.
Woodfield, and Tank Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning declaration until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Madison. At 4 p.m. Issued a flash flood warning for West Central Madison County in North Central Alabama until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across North Huntsville, Northwest Huntsville, and between Madison and West Huntsville. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in the last 30 minutes, and additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible from 8 or 9 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated.
What happened? No,
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Huntsville, Madison, Redstone, Arsenal, University of Alabama in Huntsville, Marshall Space Flight Center at Alabama A&M University. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flash flood warning is canceled for West Central Madison County. The heavy rain has ended, and this flash flood warning has been replaced with an aerial flood warning. Please see the product for additional information on Indian Creek at Madison. Please continue to heed remaining road closures. Flood warning in effect until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Southwestern Madison County in North Central Alabama. When? Until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges measured 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in about half an hour earlier this evening, with rainfall totals between 3 to 4 estimated in portions.
The flash
of
flood warning is
Huntsville.
still there.
Local creeks in the city rose several feet in an hour as a result. Indian Creek at Madison also rose 4 feet during this time, and it continues to slowly rise.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this still red.
7 and 8 feet around or after midnight, and
I don't know if that's clear.
Sunrise. Some locations that will experience flooding include Huntsville, Madison, Redstone Arsenal, Triana, Marshall Space Flight Center, University of Alabama in Huntsville, Huntsville International Airport, and Alabama A&M University. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The time is 10:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time.